Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Simple Art Ideas, and I hope you are doing great and enjoying the day. So today I'm going to review this color box, which is Ohuhu alcohol art marker with 48 sets, and this looks nice. Actually this is a gift from my sister, and I think this is a lovely one. Every new art supply actually makes me very happy, so let's try it. And I want to open it with you, so I have not yet tried, and let's see what the sets are, the gradients are. And it's in a nice box with a handle, and the markers are put very organized way. So these are the cards we can make our color swatches, and as just test the colors, so how it looks on paper. So let's see what the sets are. So these are multiple sets of red and yellow and green, blue, and also multiple sets of gray, but I don't think I need them much, but okay, they are required when we make some sets or something. It gives 3D type look to the objects. Okay, so let's try the colors, how it looks on paper, and so that we can select our the perfect tint, the perfect gradients when we make some sketch or something. So I think these are all the warm colors we have. So this is how it looks, and half of the markers are finished. Actually I'm going to try out the other card, and it has multiple sets of sky blue, blue, the and green, and various tints of brown and gray. So I'm done with it. I'm not trying the white color because the white color is a blender, actually it's not a color. So see, these are all the sets you get in this 48 color set. So I have done some pencil sketches roughly, lightly, so that I can color them with this new alcohol markers. So let's color them with the light shades, darker shades, and different shades, different colors. I'm trying to make the video shorter so that you don't get bored just by watching the coloring video. And let's see how it looks, uh, and enjoy the video, and uh, let me know your views and what you want to paint with alcohol markers, because this is the first time I'm using this color, this particular product, and I hope it looks great. And yeah, I like it. This is great for sketchwork only, and journal, art journal, mini journals, and sketches like borders, and the front page ideas of your projects and notebooks and all that. So this is a nice thing, I think. So this is how my teeny mini sketches are almost done, and yes, I love it. The color effect is so bright, beautiful and pretty, and it's good for project work, for students artwork, for journals and all that. And if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and share this video and like this video. Thank you.